I feel like you have to have good looking hair for hair videos like this, but is brushed hair good looking hair? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I am doing a much requested hair care routine. I've had a couple of y'all reach out and be like, what have you been doing to your hair? Or a lot of family members who've been like, your hair has gotten so dang long, like what are you doing? And I think I've finally figured out a hair care routine that not only maintains my blonde looking really cool tone and really great, but my hair has been feeling so soft and so shiny, and like I'm not doing anything. Like I literally feel like I have the easiest, most low maintenance hair care routine of all time, but I'm getting pretty good results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, welcome. If you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back and thanks for being a part of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, I just want to talk a little bit about inner health, because frankly, you can't really save your hair by just using topical products. You really do need to be good about what you eat, what you drink, etc. So definitely drink a lot of water, especially here in Texas. It's so dang hot that I feel like drinking water becomes really easy because you are dehydrated all the freaking time. I know when I lived back in Virginia, it wasn't as hot as it is here, and so I was pretty bad about drinking water, but yeah, drink your water. Just, it's good for your body, it's good for your skin, it helps clear out toxins, and it really helps keep everything really, really healthy and hydrated, so drink your water. Next, I do want to talk about a couple of supplements I take, just so that you guys know. I'm not telling you that you need to take these or that they are magic or that they work. I'm just saying that for me, this is what I've been taking and I've noticed positive results. So if you're interested, cool. If you're not interested, just skip ahead. But they are all from Hum Nutrition and I love them. The first is Red Carpet. I've been taking this consistently every single day for about 1.5 years, and my hair really has started to just grow and look shiny and feel healthy, and so I've really, really enjoyed this. I also take a fish oil omega-3 supplement. This is the OMG from Hum Nutrition, and this one has honestly really helped me with my cholesterol, but I've also noticed differences in my skin and my hair. And then finally, I really enjoy Arctic Repair. Now this one is mainly for the skin and for wrinkles, but I feel like anything that works for the skin also kind of works for the hair because it'll be rejuvenating your scalp and your skin, and so I've just noticed that it's worked. So these are the 3 that I've really enjoyed. They have a lot of oils and fish oil and they're really good. About a month ago, I also started taking the Glow Sweet Glow gummies, and these have been really, really great for my skin. That's what the main purpose is, to give skin hydration for the ultimate glow. But I've noticed my hair has been feeling a lot healthier and a lot more shiny as well, and I've only been taking these for about 3 weeks. So I really like these, and I'm actually giving a bottle of these away to pretty much anyone who comments on my Instagram photo that has this as the picture. So head over to my Instagram and comment on that photo, and I'll reach out to you and you'll get a bottle of these from me because I really enjoy them and they've really worked for me, so I kind of want to spread the love. So yeah, that's my little blip about things I take internally. If you're interested, cool. If you're not, that's okay. Now let's talk about the topical hair care products. So my favorite shampoo and conditioners, I've got 2 because I switch off using pretty much only these. I really love the Not Your Mother's Treatment Shampoo. These are really, really great. This one has a dark purple violet that neutralizes brassiness. It helps with toning your hair. And then this one has pastel violet pigment that helps kind of neutralize lighter hairs. So you can see my color isn't perfect. I definitely have areas that are still a little bit warm because my hair is naturally blonde. And so a lot of times that kind of warmth from the blonde doesn't really get toned. But a lot of the lighter blonde does get really toned by this product, and I love it. And then the other toner that works magic and I only use about twice a week is the purple shampoo from Kristen S, as well as the purple conditioner. These are the one purple conditioner. I love the scent, it makes my hair so soft, and these really work at toning your hair. Like, my hair has been lavender before because I've overtoned it. So what I'll actually do is I use these every single day or whenever I wash my hair, and then twice a week I will put the shampoo in my hand and then add just a little bit of the Kristen S shampoo and really massage it everywhere, let it sit for just a second, and then I'll go in with both the conditioners mixed, and that is kind of what I do. Maybe this is a little more high maintenance than I thought it was. But it's barely an extra step in the shower, and I found combined, these give me just the tone that I want. I have not recently toned my hair, so she's a little warm right now, but it's not bad, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I only washed my hair this morning with the Not Your Mother's collection, but I'll probably do toning tomorrow morning before we go to the lake so that I can get rid of some of the brassiness before we're in the sun. But that is what I use in the shower to wash my hair. And then when I'm out of the shower, I'll use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, and this one is actually for blonde, so it has a little bit of a purple pigment, but I find it doesn't really help with toning the hair, so don't rely on this. But I love the It's a 10 products. I think they're really great. I really love the keratin one. I really love the silk one that's in a purple bottle, and then I've really enjoyed this one for blondes. I don't think it does anything specifically for blondes. I don't know if I would repurchase this specific one, but I've been using It's a 10 since 8th grade, and it has really helped with protecting my hair and just keeping everything really, really soft. And so I'll use this to brush out my hair. And then to brush out my hair, I loved the wet brush, and I'm sorry you're gonna see my hair in this. It's nasty. I really love the wet brush because it doesn't pull on your hair at all, and it really helps get tangles out while leaving your hair really, really smooth. But when I got my box from EcoTools, it included this brush, which again, oh yeah, look at all that hair. This brush is a detangling brush, and I love it. It's like my favorite brush of all time. It does a really, really good job. I've just recently brushed my hair, so she's feeling really, really soft. But I love this brush, and if I had to recommend one between the two of these, I would honestly say go for the EcoTools one because it's just aesthetically pleasing and does a really, really good job. I really like paddle brushes like that. They're really good. Another thing that I do after I brush my hair and I'm out of the shower is I let it air dry. This is legitimately, and those of you who have curly hair and have always wanted straight hair, I apologize. Because this is literally what my hair looks like. Like, all I did this morning was get out of the shower and brush it, and this is my hair. I have not straightened it. I have not put it in a ponytail. I haven't braided it. This is just what my hair looks like naturally. So I will let my hair air dry just because I know that it will look like this. It doesn't have a ton of volume and it's not perfectly straight, but air drying my hair has been huge for my hair care routine because not using heat every day has honestly made it dry longer. There's less breakage. I just feel like my hair just looks more natural. It kind of looks the way it's supposed to with me. What I will do though, after it's dry, is every once in a while go over it with either a straightener, and I will straighten it or curl it if I want a little bit more oomph to it. But 9 times out of 10, if you see me in real life, yeah, I haven't put any heat on my hair. So I would highly recommend trying out at least once or twice a week. Let your hair air dry instead of blow drying it, or wash it at night so that it can dry overnight, but just let it chill and be itself. And then a couple days later, you can maybe add a little heat or add a little dry shampoo. I love the Batiste dry shampoo. I think this one is freaking amazing. It's really, really good. And so my hair will go like 2nd or 3rd day hair and it'll still be cruising. So right now this is fresh hair and you can see like it's a little bit oily. And so I will add this to just kind of, you know what? Let's do it right now. I'll just kind of add this to get a little bit more volume and hold because my hair really struggles to do ponytails when she is fresh. If you do have darker hair, definitely be careful of this dry shampoo because it does give a little bit of a white cast. If you do have blonde hair like me, you're one of the lucky ones where the white cast just makes your highlights look more fresh. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. And then after I do dry shampoo, I always kind of brush out my hair just to make sure it's evenly dispersed and there's no patches where it's like super tangled or anything like that, because my hair tangles really, really easily. Another weird tip is putting your dry shampoo in at night and then sleeping on it. Believe it or not, you will wake up with hair that is ready to go, like looks really good, because your scalp has gotten a little bit oily in the middle of the night, so it kind of melds with the dry shampoo, and then you wake up with really good looking hair. Like, it doesn't look too powdery and it doesn't look oily. It's like right in the middle, like clean hair look. But it has dry shampoo, so it has like volume. It's great. That's my That's my life hack. And finally, the last product I'd recommend is the Bedhead After Party. I have been using this since high school. I love this. This product is really, really great. It makes your hair look so shiny, but it just is a little white cream. I use the smallest amount and just run it through only the ends of my hair because this is a more oily product, but it adds really nice shine and it really smooths frizz, and I really love how it looks on the ends of my hair. So I'll put that in every now and then too, to just kind of add a little bit more shine, and it smells delicious. So it just makes everything look good and sleek and together, and it's great. So to wrap this video up, I would recommend drinking water, take a hair supplement, or make sure you're taking a multivitamin, or make sure you're eating really, really well so that you're getting those natural oils like fish oil from fish or omega-3s from fish, or nuts and veggies and avocados and things like that to add those oils back into your skin. It's really, really good for you. So drink your water, get your healthy fats and oils in your diet, make sure you have shampoo and conditioner that just tones your hair and keeps it really, really healthy. Try to use less heat. And if you're using topical products, just make sure you use ones that don't really weigh down the hair. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you the best hair day of your life, because everyone has bad hair days and I wouldn't wish that on any of y'all. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what your favorite hair care products are, or if you learned anything from this video. You guys are amazing. I hope you stick around by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time on my channel. Bye y'all!